Hey, what's up guys? I'm Nikki and we are watching Technical Nikki YouTube channel. So in this video we will cover about the if statement in C programming, and most important thing is that guys, please stay home and learn with me from your home. And this video will be very important for you all, and so keep your eyes on this video till the end. So let's get started without wasting any time. So let's learn if statement in C language. If statement in C. So let me explain. C language uses the keyword if to implement the decision control instructions. Okay, the general form of if statement is looks like this. It means, guys, C language uses the keyword if to implement the decision control instruction. It means all the instructions that all are instruct to decision control uh, are implemented by the if statement, okay, or keyword in C language. And okay, wait, so it is the basic and the general form of if statement. It means between the parentheses we have to put our condition. If the condition is true, then it execute this code or statement under the if condition. Okay, so let's know more about the conditions in C language. So the condition inside the if statement is something like this, and we can take it to x equal to y. It means x is equal to y, and the it means x is not equal to y, and it means x is less than y, and it means x is greater than y. It means x is less than or equal to y, and it means x is greater, oh sorry for that, it means x is greater or equal to y. Okay, so for know about it, let's jump to the program. We will write a program for know all the condition uh, we know it them in the program. So let's jump to the Visual Studio Code, and here I am going to create a new file and name it to if statement.c. okay, so let me first zoom this. Okay, now I'm going to type my program, include sorry stdio.h and int main. In the last video we have discussed about the functions in C language. If you didn't watch the video, so don't worry, link is available in the video description, so go and watch the video. And now I am going to use the curly braces, and here I will take an integer that is the num. Okay, and here I am going to use printf function, and in this, by using the printf function, I am going to print a message on the output screen, that is enter a number less than 15. Okay, then I'm going to input or scan the integer num by the using scanf function %d. Okay, and here I am going to use the and num. It is this keyword is used to assign the value of the variable num into the num variable. Okay, so after this I am going to put my let me first make this condition. So here I will type if condition, and the num is less than 15, then printf I will print this message again in the second message on the output screen. Condition is true. Okay, and make it in a new line. So after this, return 0. Now I'm going to run this program, and during the execution of this program, if we on the terminal, if you put the value greater than 15, it doesn't print anything on your output screen, and if you print the keep value less than 15 on your screen terminal, then it will print this code, condition is true. Okay, so let's run this. Activating extensions. Okay, great. So wait a little. During the execution for the first time, it can take some time. Okay, so scanf. Oh, sorry, we didn't put the F after the scan. Okay guys, sorry for that. So as it is asking for enter a number less than 15, if I enter the 12, then it says condition is true because 12 is less than 15. Okay, now I'm going to clear this and re-execute the program, and in this time I'm going to type value greater than 15, so type 16, and then you can see this prints nothing on your desktop, sorry, terminal, in your terminal. Okay, because the condition is false. Okay guys, so and if I make it this condition to that num is less than or equal to 15, if I sorry and now if I type 15, then the condition is true. Okay, and at this time I am going to make this condition num is greater than or equal to 15, then what will be the action? Okay, it is say that enter numbers less than. Okay, and I am didn't change this, and if I enter the 16, then the condition is true. Okay, this doesn't matter, it between these two double quotation mark in the printf function, whatever you type it print on the output screen. Okay, as if I am going to change its number, it's that, sorry, greater, oh sorry guys. Okay, enter a number greater than 15, I am going to enter 16, so condition is true. So I hope you understand this if statement in C language. So now let me show you a process about this program. Okay, this is the flowchart, and our program is starts from here, and I use the printf function for print this or display this message on the output screen, enter a number less than 15. Okay, then we input our num variable or scan the variable num using the scanf function. Okay, and after this, if the condition is true, num is less than 10 or 15, whatever you have said in the condition, if the number is less than 15, okay, if yes, then it prints this value and then stop, and if no, then it go through this way and stop, and it doesn't print anything on your output screen. Okay, so I hope you all of you understand this method and this if statement in C, and thanks for watching guys, and share this with your friends for their knowledge, and if this helpful for you, give it big thumbs up. Okay, we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you guys, bye bye.